This platform began with just few thousand members in 2016, has now increased over 1.5 crore users, showcasing an incredible growth of over 4,400%. Grow noticed a gap in 2016 where Indians have money to invest but they were scared by the traditional difficulties. They set out with a mission to simplify investing, making it accessible and secure for the youngsters who are skilled in technology. As time went on, Grow's digital-first strategy proved to be successful. They introduced a simple mobile application and online platform, leading the way to zero commission direct mutual fund investment. This decision saves users money in the long term while also attracting the attention of millions. Grow focuses on establishing trust through a variety of methods while navigating the cautious Indian market. They made advantage of social media sites like Facebook and Instagram, utilizing comedy to reduce investors' fear and highlighting the real user experience. Grow was so good at SEO that they appeared whenever someone looked for Indian investment opportunities. Their vast library of instruction materials helped to simplify investing so that anyone could understand it. Regular email updates promoted community building by keeping people informed and involved. Grow's user-friendly strategy and clear communication touched. Their engaging and often amusing social media advertisements removed negative perception related to investment. Grow experienced an amazing 4,400% growth from a few thousand users in 2016 to over 15 million. Grow has quickly gained a sizable market share, estimated in double digits in Indian online investment platform market. According to a recent Business Today article in October 2023, Grow's parent company Next Billion Technology Private Limited recorded a revenue of 1200 crore in financial year 2023. This is a whopping 250% increase from rupees 367 crore they reported in financial year 2022. The net profit also jumped to rupees 73 crore from just rupees 68 crore, showcasing impressive financial growth alongside user base expansion. Grow keeps coming up with new ideas. Influencer marketing is what they are using in 2024 to increase brand trust and reach a wider audience. Grow story shows how traditions may challenge and how a new generation can inspire to take control to their financial destiny. Recall that investing is more than simply making financial decisions. It's also about investing knowledge and making wise choices. Thanks for joining us on this exciting dive into Grow. If you are curious about navigating Indian investment scenes, check out Grow. Have you invested in Grow app? Share us your investment history in the comments below.